Oh my god, I fucking love this channel. Oh. Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? Turn back on, you motherfucker. Look at this shit. It won't fucking turn on. God, ugh. I don't want to buy a new TV.
You don't have to.
Oh, for reals?
Yeah, for reals.
Whoa, what the heck? So why do you guys say that? Now wait a minute. Who the fuck are you guys?
We're TV Repairmen. We're here to fix your TV.
Holy moly! This is a dream come true.
Yeah, we can fix any TV that's malfunctioning.
Yeah, it works. Just like that, it's brand new.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
You think that's the only problem with your TV?
Well, it seems like you got a leaky TV. That's no problem though. Shit, your TV overheating too? I got you, dog. It just little ice won't hurt. You know, it usually fixes it in a couple days like this.
Oh, that resolves overheating. Wow.
Does your TV ever talk about the everlasting end of the universe and all the apocalyptic events?
Wait. What was that last one you just said there?
We got you covered, bitch.
The end is near. Satan has arrived, you fucking idiots.
With the power of Christ, we take you back to hell! Oh shit! Oh shit! No!
Fuck you, bitch.
Help! Help me, brothers!
Wow! Thank you guys so much! It's brand new!
You're welcome, low-class citizen.
Shut the fuck up,
Fucking pleb.
Where the fuck's our money, dude? Aren't you supposed to pay us by now?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
That was our money too.
God. Okay, oh shit!
Quit the couch.
Oh shit!
Call us and we'll fix your TV. Cause we are
The TV Repairmen!